at achievers natin. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. So, Pastor Johnson, grabe, Pastor Johnson, Mentor Janet, si Mentor Janet, grabe mga resulta, si Mentor Sarah, and of course, Mentor Jen. Sabi ko, how would I do justice? Let me share something. Para lang masara ko yung mga susundan. Sports car, ako, mga diamond po nandito lang. Sports car, millionaire circle. Alam niyo ba yung grasshopper? Yes. Are you familiar with the grasshopper? Yes. O yung locust, a baby locust. Alam niyo? It cannot fly. It cannot fly. But it can jump 200 times of its size. The only way that it would fly is that when it sees the trees are wrestling, gumagano na yung mga puno. Pag nakita nila yung mga puno, gumaganon. Tapos narinig nila yung hangin. They will tell themselves, this is the right time to jump. So if I jump right now and catches the right wind, that would propel me to a better location. Kasi pwedeng may crisis kung nasan sila eh. You have seen your future in I Am Worldwide. Nakita niyo yung mga pwedeng ma-achieve? Sports car, travel, millions. You have heard how it can be done. At it's very possible right now. Maraming may crisis around the globe, right? Kung medyo nagdadalawang isip tayo ngayon, which is normal, yes. This is the right time to jump. This is the right time to recommit. Pag sasabay po kayo ngayon, it's only a matter of time. Yung meron sila, that's your future. Yun ang magiging inyo. So wag na wag kayong aayaw. Diretso lang. Kailangan all out. Pakisabi all out. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, all out! Pakisabi sa katabi mo, all in. Todo na to. Todo na to. Ulit ka na sa rin mo. Kala ko tatalo kayo. Jump, no? Jump. Galing, no? So let me share with you my story through pictures, okay lang? So, I've been in the business before for the last almost 2 decades na po. Tagal, no? Kasi I started 5, so 25 na po ako ngayon. I am worldwide, so sabi ko, what would I share with all the results that I've been seeing? Na talagang hirap tapatan. I'm just one year old dito sa I am worldwide. Sabi ko, di baling wala pang sports car, di baling wala pang mga millions, almost there. I am worldwide naman ako. It's only a matter of time I will get worldwide. Now, this is my journey. Kwento ko lang po sa inyo. I've been exposed to international market. In fact, medyo malayo sa atin sa Africa. This is what I have done. I've talked to them, I speak to them, I eat with them, I dine with them. Kaya sometimes I sound like them and even smell like them. Namabam. So that's how I started because I was sent there 2012. Ako po ay networker, hindi po ako part ng management noon. I was a networker, I'm an international networker. Ibig sabihin po, modesty aside, nakapag-network po tayo sa ibang bansa. So I deal, walang office, walang products, wala lahat. Pero because of that experience, nakarelate po ako to the people, and that's what's important. You have to relate to your prospect. It's not what you say, it's not about you, it's about them. No, kasi minsan we're too engrossed and we're too excited about the products that we have, the opportunity, wala naman talagang, hindi naman mali yun, pero minsan baka ang nasasabi natin yung gusto natin, hindi yung gusto ng kausap natin. Okay? Now, because of that, I was able to get people. Hindi po mabilis, pero from all walks of life. Owners of restaurants, hotels, may mga ari ng mga jet planes. Malakas po. In fact, when the office opened there, meron po akong, if I'm not mistaken, 70 directs. Yung 70 directs na yon, bawat isang tao, pwede pa ng multiple. So medyo, to top it all, mga 200 plus. So magaling ba ako? No, it's because of the industry. Yun po yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. And it's not a walk on a bed of roses. Because of that, I was rewarded. In fact, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, don't be persuaded, don't be distracted. Because of the result, I was forced to leave network marketing. Kasi, dito ka na. Maging international trainer ka and be part of the management. Naging part po ako ng management. I worked my way up until I became a vice president in that company. I park because I let myself be distracted. Ano yung park? Kasi ito pong network marketing, especially where we are right now. This is a highway of opportunity. Mabilis po natin makukuha yung mga pangarap natin dito, tama ba? Yes. Lalo na sa IM Worldwide. Napakabilis po. Back then, I was distracted. Okay, with the accolades, with the, sige, boss ka, you have many people, VIP treatment. I became part of the management. Pero I've learned a lot of things. Kaya lang, something is wrong. The main reason why I joined this, kaya nga ako pumasok noong 2009 it's because of our whys. You have your own whys, right? Yeah. So basically, it's our family. Pero bakit nung nandun na ako, it is them who are suffering. Lahat po ng special occasion, wala ako eh. Graduation, birthday, Christmas, 6 months a year, wala ako sa Pilipinas. So parang something is wrong. Medyo nag-burn. So I decided about 2 years ago to resign. Sabi ko, enough in network marketing. Sabi ko, resign na. I'll be putting up my own business. Pero nasa likod ng isip ko, network marketing talaga. Di ba? I do not practice what I preach. Nagtitraining ka. Pero network marketing. Pero gusto ko lang maging boss eh. Parang, pero pag boss ako, I remember my mentor, mamaya pakilala ko. Sabi niya, yung galing mo, hindi mo mapapakasa sa anak mo. Kahit gano'ng kagaling, you put up your own business, what after 10 years, mahina ka na, who will do your business? Sabi mo, anak, ikaw na magsalita dun sa mga network marketing pa. To fast forward, 2024? Tama ba? 2024, Benz, no? When this friend of mine learned about my, parang gusto mag-network marketing, no other than Mentor TJ, nandun po sa Mentor TJ. Our training director, palakpakan niyo po. Ayan po, actually, yung nalaman niya, actually, si Mentor TJ, kwento ko lang po sa inyo, very, patient. He started inviting me 2020.
4 years.
Sumali ako, 2025. 5 years. Kaya kung may ini-invite kayong 5 months pa lang, you still have 4.5 years to go. Hanggang hindi kayo binablock, huwag kayong titigil. Alam niyo si Mentor TJ, pero hindi naman niya ako ini-invite. Nagme-message lang once a year. Kamusta? Tapos magpapadala ng maraming barley. Simula 2020 yon, if I'm not mistaken. Tuwing December, Mentor May. Actually, ngayon ko lang sasabihin. Siyempre, nasa ibang kumpanya. Mataas ang posisyon. Live ba to? Bali, wala na. Dahil nagpapadala si Mentor TJ every Christmas. Marami po. Hindi pa alam yung mga package yung basta nagpapadala siya. Yung mother-in-law ko, gustong-gusto yung barley. Sabi ko, paubos na. Yung hanggang paubos na, pahingon, sabi ko, Mita, sa kalaban yun. It went that way for 4 years. Every Christmas, talaga. Padala si Mentor, hindi naman ako ini-invite. Pero when he learned that I'm about to, resign and put up my own business, doon na, almost every day. Kamusta ka? Kumain ka na ba? Ayan po ako. I've been traveling in different parts of the country, in different parts of the world. Modesty aside, I'm not trying to impress you, I'm trying to impress something upon you. Later on, you know. Eh, sino ba namang hindi? Yan ang nag-impress sa inyo. Ayaw ba kayo? Grabe naman kayo makapalakwak. Ganyan din yung itsura ko bago ako mag-Africa eh. Nakagat lang ako ng lamok kasi. And then, we met sometime October 2024. And usap ng usap, and then finally I said yes, we agreed to meet dito yun eh, somewhere here sa Greenhill. So, 6 o'clock natapos kami 3 a.m. Mga ganun, mabilis lang. Pero hindi niya ako pinresentan. That was October, and then after a few months, wala, kwento-kwentuhan lang. Then they asked me to meet our board of directors. And that changed everything. You know what? Kasi this is the first time that I met an owner that's kakaiba. Iba. Now, practically, with my experience, practically po mo, I've seen every marketing plan, not only here in the Philippines, even outside the Philippines. I've talked to some owners, and kakaiba po talaga si Press AM at saka si GM Ana. One thing that struck me talaga is that when he says, Adrian, kasi dito sa business, hindi pwede natin pagaluin ang religion and business. Pero, hindi pwedeng negosyong walang Diyos. That struck me. Sabi ko, baka kakaiba talaga. God-centered business. Yung po yung tumatak sa akin that night, that was around November yata. Sumali na ba ako? Hindi pa. Kasi nasa ibang kumpanya pa. And then I resigned last January. Sumali na ba ako? Hindi pa rin. Ulit eh, no? TJ, padala. Hello, ay ka na. Good night. Alam mo, when you prospect somebody, it's like you're courting You do not propose to someone whom you just met. Yung mga babae rito, pag may nakilala kayo, pag nag-propose sa inyo, papakasalan nyo. May tama kayo nun. So it takes time, right? It takes time. Time is the essence. And it was only after a few conversations, last March, March 1 to be exact, I cannot forget that day. When I decided to join mga February second week. Sabi ko, sige, I will join. Sabi niya, pero kailangan mo umattend. Para makita mo lang ba yung culture dito? Kasi iba dito eh. Sabi ko, saan yan? Bayad na yung entrance. Tulog ka na lang. Sige. Pero ako, ang plan ko talaga, magpakita lang, uwi na ako. March 1, so I attended, pumunta ako doon. I was surprised. I met a lot of distributors, leaders. Sila Mentor Drex, Mentor Mike, Mentor Irene, and some of the leaders is sila Mentor AJ. I was surprised, no? Pareho yung sinasabi ni Press sa sinasabi nila. So it's not a hype. So it's about God-centered business. Inuuna lagi si Lord. Sabi ko, baka binulungan lang si Press, ni TJ, si Press. Ako na rin, pero si ganto-ganto mo, kasi Press, parang si Lord ang kausap mo, yun. Sabi ko lahat sila. So I decided, instead of staying for 1 hour, I arrived Saturday, I went home. Sunday, 6 p.m. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung sabi ko magsa-sign up na ako kasi nakausap ko sila, nagbe-briefing. Itong gagawin natin, we will do this for the glory of God. Totoo ba to? Kasi I never encountered people, locally and international, na gano'n ang purpose. I've seen a lot of speakers, great networkers in other countries. They're so good when they are on stage. Pero pagbaba ng stage, they do other things. May dalawang buhay. Ito hindi. So, I sign up during that day, March 1. Pag sign up ko, hindi muna ako talaga recruit. Pinag-aralan ko yung business. I started doing the business March 16, 17. Sabi ko kami ng TJ, relax ka lang, mens. Tsaka hindi ako sanay ng mens. Ano yung mens? Ano yung mens? Sabi ko mga kami, hindi mo ka-mens natin. Kasi babae yun. Sabi ko, pang babae natin tayo ko. I joined March 1 together with my family. Talagang sabi ko, all out. Lahat. Kasi ako hindi pwede akong half day. I'm either hot or cold. Hindi pwedeng 20%. Walang lukewarm. It's either you're hot or cold. Hindi mo pwede, pag kayo'y alanganin, ibig sabihin yung hindi mahirap. You have to decide. Ganun talaga, all in, todo na to. Sabi ko, ito na yun. Eh, paano na yung mga business plan? Yan mo na yun. So, now, I'm worldwide, and I give all the honor and glory to our Heavenly Father because, mga less than 1.5 months, I was able to get yung target sa Singapore, Hong Kong, baka three countries in almost 2 months. Okay? Ayan, no? Sarap. Kasama natin yung mga iba dito, sila Mentor Channel. Kasama natin si Pastor. Kasama po natin, of course, sila Mentor May. And then I became Sapphire in less than 2 months din. Mabilis lang po. And then, yung sinasabi po nilang just for you, give me 5, multiple din po yan. I'm not trying to impress you. All the speakers who spoke in front of me, ahead of me, is not trying to impress you. They're trying to impress upon you yung nakikita nyo na sinasabi ng mga nag-invite sa inyo, those who are first-timers here, those who are, yung parang nagdududa pa rin po, ay totoo. It's true yun. Give me 5 just for you lahat. Yung iba nga sabi, give me 10 ka na. Sabi sa akin yung isa ng taga-London ko, give me 15 na ako. Yung isa yung 3 beses. Give me 15. Sabi ko, bago yata, give me 15. Anyway, tapos, ranking, sabi yung Mentor TJ, mag-maintain ka. Nung una, hindi pa ako nakikinig. Maintain ka sa ranking. Ayoko na ng ranking. Tapos bakit? Basta mag-maintain ka lang. O di nag-maintain ako. Tapos, nung April, di ba, I joined March. April, naging top, agad. Pasok ako sa top mover. Ano ba yun? Tapos, ano ba si Mentor? Si Mentor TJ, naunahan ko. 15, 30. Kaya ito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi unahan dito. Basta kasali ka sa IM Worldwide, posible yung mga target mo. And then, pagdating ko yan, sunod-sunod na po yan. June, ganun ulit. 23. Saan? 23, 34. Pwede, ha? Kaya yung mga mentors, yung mga course, kaya nyo ko na. O, sunod-sunod po yan. Pero nung July, nagalit. Nagalit po. Nagalit po si Mentor TJ. Top 6 siya, top 30. And then it went on. So 30, tapos yan, sunod-sunod na po yan. Okay, yan. January, tama po. So ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, it's possible, hindi po una-unahan. Hindi. Kasi may mga magsasabi sa inyo sa labas, nauna ka kasi. Hindi ka naabot dyan, it's been 9 years. What would you get from IM Worldwide? Hindi po totoo yun. Hindi po totoo yun. That's what I want to imply. No, hindi po totoo yun. Basta do your work, focus on the things that you need to do, posible ang reward sa inyo. Okay? And of course, yun po, and pagdating po ng June, I'm humbled to be, one of, kasi meron pong, what do you call this, United, Team United, na-awardan po ako ng top 1 doon po sa team namin. So it's possible. Now, ano yung mga ginawa ko? Let me share a few things for you. Huwag po kayong kukurap. Ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, I am as you go. I am everywhere. Dapat po bukas ang tindahan nyo araw-araw. Hindi pwedeng ngayon, hindi pwedeng bukas. Kahit nasan kayo, you share the business. You share the products. You do not judge for your prospect. Naku, mukhang walang pera yun. Yung sana yun, marami lang pera yan eh. And then sino imbitahin natin? Ayaw nyo ng walang pera, ayaw nyo ng mayaman. Just share. Your job is to share. In fact, not to convince. You share the products, share the opportunity. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Do not be ashamed to share what you have. This is a very noble profession. You can change a lot of lives. Yung mga nag-share, may mga sakit, pwedeng mapabuti ako. Marami na po tayong natulungan through IM Worldwide. Hindi po kasya kasi sa pag-uusapan talagang siksik po talaga. Just do the business. Now, yan po yung sinasabi ko, kahit saan po ako magpunta, ayun na si IM, ayun na si IM. Pinagtatawanan ako, alam niyo bakit? Kasi po ito dati, sa corporate world po, syempre yung mga kaibigan kayo ba, sa corporate, sasabihin siya, ayun na si networking, ayun na si networking. Tapos titignan ka pa, uy, networking ka daw. Alam mo yung ulo, networking ka daw. Tapos ako naman, networking ka daw, condemning. Alam mo sagot ko? Hindi ako networking, networker ako, wrong pronunciated ka. I'm an international networker! Sabihin may office ka ba? Saan mo gusto? Sa Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, may opisina ako. Sa ibang bansa, meron ako sa US. Naka-register. Kayo, meron? Okay, mahiya. Okay, mahiya. Nung nangutang nga tayo, hindi kayo nahiya eh. Don't be shy. Just share. And then, I do business kahit kanino po. Whether they are doctors, I don't care about them. With due respect, kahit may-ari yan ng kumpanya, kahit natitinda yan ng, they are, experts in what they do. Pero I'm an expert in what I do. Diba? Kaya dapat, pag-aralan mo yung business, na unang mo gagawin. Diba? Baka maming products, hindi nyo pa tinitake. Sabi ko, products na products ba? Sa bahay po namin, lahat po, kahit sabon. Halatado. Thank you, Mens. Thank you, Mens. Malinaw nga ganito. Tanggalin nyo na ibang products sa bahay ninyo. Meron pa kayong coffee mo. This is the best product. Amazing. Tapos nag-ano kayo sa bahay niyo, sabihin ng mga friends mo, bakit may coffee mo? Mahal. It is not expensive. It is not expensive. It is reasonably priced. Because it is effective. Yes! Aanin mo yung mura, wala namang effect. Top of the line, yung mga ingredients na ginagamit. Share the products. Huwag kayong mahiya po, ha? Yan, Halatari ko hindi gumagamit ng products. Kakatapos pa lang ni mentor, ni Pastor Johnson, nagkagayon. And then, it really strengthened my belief in the company because for so many months, I want to meet one another. Yung isang board of directors natin, sila press lang nakausap ko. And then, ba't si VPI ka? Ayan. Si VPI ka, kahit hindi ko siya. Wala si VPI ka. Nandiyan ko ng mens. Si VPI ka, kahit hindi ko pa siya nami-meet, is taking time out to congratulate me. Can you imagine? Board of directors, hindi ako sanay sa gano'n. Newly registered distributor, wala pa naman accomplish na kahit ano. Pero, congratulations, mens. Diba? Keep it up. And then finally, nung na-meet ko siya, that sealed the deal. Sabi ko, this is the real company. Ito talaga. Well-rounded. Grabe yung wisdom. In a short meeting, ang dami ko napulot kay VPI ka. Kaya thank you, VPI ka. Talagang sabi ko ito na talaga. So, that made me focused. Talagang nag-focus po ako. Sabi mo sa tabi mo, focus ka lang. With what's happening around the globe, with what's happening in your network, may tendency ma-defocus ka. Nadidistract kayo. Mas magaling ka dati kaysa ngayon, dahil sinasabi ni Mentor Janet. Ang daming available things that can help you in doing the business. Pero bakit mas mabagal ka ngayon? Because you got distracted. Before, you are focused. Pag sinabi ni Mentor, may meeting tayo, anong oras, Mentor? Magdala ka ng 3. 5! Dati yun eh. Focus ka eh. Why? Di ba? Mag-focus ka eh. Alam mo, pag nag-meeting, may matututunan ka. Pag umattend ka ng Unity Day, meron ka makukuha bago. Di ba? You focus on the benefits before. Not on the things that you do. Pero nung tumagal na, po, 10 kayo nag-focus sa mga ginagawa na. May meeting tayo. Ano mas matatapos? Di pa nga nagsisimula, tapos na. Let me share with you, nakita na ba kayo ng kabayo? Pag hindi pa kaya, I took the liberty of putting a horse here. Itong kabayo, meron niyang, mabilis siyang kabayo di ba? Kaya nga horsepower, people refer, yung mga power refer to horsepower because of the capacity. No? It is designed to move that way, na mabilis. Kaya lang, another powerful with the horse, yung mata, even though it's facing this way, it can see what's happening behind it. Oo, alam mo kaya pa ganyan. So pag mayroong distraction sa gilid, sa harap, instead of the horse running towards where he needs to go, medyo napapabagal kasi ganun na yun. Di ba? So nakikita yung sa likod. Kaya kung kunyari, yung kaibigan mo nakikita, oy, naalala ko yung lola ko eh. Oy Adrian, kahit nakatalikod ako, alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Kahit kabayos mo. So pag may gumagalaw, lalo na pag severe yung movement, matidistract yung kabayo, minsan bumabagal, kasi ano yun? Tapos minsan humihinto rin pag bumibilis talaga, and then may tendency bumalik, and that distract him from going where he needs to go. O, di ba? So nawala. Kaya, thousands of years ago, people invented yung, tapahoho sa Tagalog. Blinders in English. Tapahoho, ano yung tapahoho? Yung takip mo yun. So, it cannot see what's happening sa gilid niya, sa likod. So, nakafocus siya. Kaya, nagagawa yung trabaho. Kayo. Alam niyo ba may blinders kayo when you started with I Am Worldwide? Ano yung blinders niyo? These are the things that you will get. Diyan ka nakafocus dati, di ba? Hindi mo pa pinapansin yung mga hawak mo ang beat na yan. Di ba? Wala pa dyan kami nakafocus. Pag may nakuha akong isa, 500, okay na to. Tapos mag-match. Apat na lang. Silver, 1.5. Diyan ka nakafocus, tama? You are focused on the benefits of the things that you are doing. So sabi ko, dapat focus ka lang. Focus po kayo sa benefits ng ginagawa natin. Now, focus on the benefits, dreams, and your purpose. Alam niyo po, unahin niyo po yung magagawa niyo, dadating po yung gusto niyo. Huwag muna yung 500 to. Ito dalawa, di 1,000. Ayos. Let's say po in a better way. Purpose over profit. Nag-focus po kayo sa purpose ninyo. Help people. Assist people. You get a lot of commission. Okay? So, yan, focus na po kayo. And then, of course, it's pandemic on a different level. Pag sinabing pandemic po kasi it's happening everywhere. Sa network natin, it's happening. May mga tao po ako sa Ghana, they stop. Sa London, they stop. Not because they wanted to, because hindi pwede magpadala eh. Hindi nila kaya yung DHL, yung mga sa post office. Hindi pwede kasi may ban. Yung gas prices, grabe, alam niyo ba, 150 na? Huwag po kayong ma-distract. Hanap na kaya ako naman. Second way of earning. May 13 tayo, hanap ka pa ng second. Aba. Post project, may project 001 tayo. Ano ba kayo? I refuse to be distracted. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, huwag kang ma-distract.
Kumadistract.
Diretso lang po kayo. Kasi kahit sa kapunti, tama po? Don't be distracted. Because, alam mo, nag-stop po yung mga yun, naka-stop sila eh. Talaga naka-stop. Pag zoom ko, nakaganon lang. Then, nag-stop po kasi. Pero I move on. Ayaw nyo dito, offer ako dito, ayaw nyo dyan, nag-try ako na mag-FB ads, medyo puro target ko mga Filipino, local, medyo gusto sumali, kulang sa pera. So nag-shift ako sa iba, saan kayong bansa mga? Because I did not stop, lumabas po ang Namibia. Isa lang yan nung una. Tapos na-invite niya to, naging 4 sila. Namibia na. Ang pera po nila, mataas ang value kaysa sa atin. So because of Namibia, yung once a week na presentation, naging twice a week, naging thrice a week, naging 4 times a week. Lumabas po ang South Africa. Lumabas din po ang Botswana. So why? Because hindi po ako nagpa-distract. Ano yung pwede mong gawin? Ano po yung pwede mong gawin? Again, hindi ko po kayo ini-impress, pero again, impressing upon you. Posible po. Ang business po natin, IM Worldwide, hindi po IM Pasay. Hindi po IM Madison, ay IM Green Hills. Worldwide po ito. Dapat po, crisis resilient ka. Hindi man crisis proof, pero you can bounce back. Bounce back! Hindi ka pwede sa ganito. Binanggit nga ni si Mentor Janet Bain, kahit yung isa tamaan mo, there are 13 ways. Kung di ka makalikot, di po ako magbenta ka. Ano ko nito? So, big crisis resilient. Yun po lagi sinasabi ko, di pwede, ano pwedeng gawin? Okay, it's okay, malungkot ka, pero sandali lang. Hindi na ako tataas na naman ng gas, naku, tataas na ng gas. Naku, baba ng fuse ko sa, alam ko ang beat. Hawak mo ang, hindi lang vehicle, hawak mo ang best vehicle for you to go where you are right now. Let me share with you this before I end. It's an African proverb. Sabi po doon, no matter how bad the economy of the jungle, the lion won't eat grass. Kahit wala pong makain, ang leon, hindi po kakain ng damo yan. Hindi po. Kahit gutom na gutom, they would hunt. Meat ang gusto, kahit mahirap. Kaya nga pag imposible na, manood kayo ng National Geographic, minsan yung isa, inaano na yung elefante, di ba? Kahit maliit siya. Because they won't eat grass. Do not park. Huwag po kayong pumarada, nasa highway tayo towards papunta sa pangarap mo. Huwag kayong pumark, huwag niyo pong gayahin. I parked for 9 years. Kakabalik ko lang po ulit sa highway. Nasa skyway. Skyway daw eh, tsaka super highway. Pero at least nasa highway. Huwag po kayong bumalik, nakatawid na kayo eh. Nakatawid na kayo. Hang on! Yes! I'm there. Hindi naman puro ano, sabi mo, nawala yung mga... I've been there. And it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay po. Diretso lang po kayo. Di ba 6 months na kay Mentor Sara, di ba? Sabi mo, sa iba yung bago sumali, 6 months. Mentor TJ nga, 5 years eh. Huwag po kayong attempt to do something that is not allowed by IM Worldwide. Magbenta na tayo ng mas baba, okay na to. Don't eat grass. Kunin na natin yung iba nagtanim. Di ba may sabi? Pag may nagtanim, may ani, sila nagtanim, anihin na natin. Don't eat grass. Huwag niyong kunin, basta may kumausap na. Daming tao, labas kayo dyan. Baka nga ang dami pang hindi alam yung IM Worldwide. Don't eat grass. Ang IM Worldwide is crisis resilient business. It may slow us down, but it will never lock us down. Kung ano man yung nangyayari. Okay, so be crisis resilient, how? You do it with God.
Yes.
You do the business with God. Alam niyo, before you do anything, you pray first. Baliktad. Ako kasi dati, pag excited, sugot! Alam ko yun. Maganda ako ng mga leap forward ng mga ano eh. Kausap ko si mentor mo, hindi. Sugot! Tapos pag nagkamali ako, Diyos ko, patawarin niyo. Magdadasal ka rin naman pala eh. Why don't you pray first before you act? Lord, kung hindi man sasali to, bibili ng package to, okay na sa akin yun. Walang kapipilian. Lord, kung hindi man sumali, joy na lang. Okay na po sa akin. You pray so you have wisdom. Binanggit po ng isang speaker is wisdom is very important. Knowledge is not enough. Wisdom is understanding what you do. So you pray before you... Magugulat po kayo. Ako talaga nandun sa vlog, kinakabahan. Sabi ng mga ibang dumadla, kinakabahan ka na, no? Yung mga mentor na to, ibig sa encourage lahat, kinakabahan ka, no? Nag-pray po ako. Kasi you have to be guided. You have to make a lot of decisions every now and then. One wrong decision. Nako. Wag niyong dadalhin yung success dito. Ha? May narinig pa ako dati, dapat daw. Ang pera sa bangko, hindi sa ulo. Kasi pag pumasok po rito yung success, that would be the start of your downfall. Kaya makinig po tayo sa ating mga grand mentors. Makinig po kayo sa kanila. Kasi they have wisdom na pinagdaanan, they can help you. And lastly, kaya sinabi ko, you seek God first. You pray. Before you do anything in the morning, bago kayo mag-close pick list, pagkagising, follow up, sabi niyo. Bago unahin yung, bago kausapin yung, bago tignan yung asawa, yung cellphone muna. You pray first. Sinampal. Allah, sir! Sorry po. Sinampal. Ikaw yun! Dapat lang. Sir, you pray. Sana po makailan ako sa sampu. You pray first. So you'll be guided and you'll have wisdom. This is the promise. You dwell on the promises, not on the problem. Maraming promises si Lord, our Heavenly Father. This is one of the promises. Ang sabi niya, you seek God first. I'm not saying you go to church every day. You pray first. You seek Him in everything you do. You'll have wisdom. Pag inuna daw natin si Lord and His righteousness, all these things will be added unto you. He owns everything. Yung pangarap mo, pangarap ng katabi mo, kay Lord yan. When somebody owns something, He can give it to anyone, anytime. Pag inuna daw natin si Lord, hindi lang yung pangarap mong bibigay sa'yo, pati pangarap ng katabi mo. Pinahin po natin siya. With that, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And I'd like to invite you on Saturday. Sino babalik sa Sabado? Marami po ba kayo natutunan? Ang bottom line is application. You put into practice what you have learned from all the speakers, gawin niyo po. Come back on Saturday. Meron pong bonus. Kasi pag may dala kang guest, di ba, meron kang chance manalo ng raffle. On Saturday, 6 p.m. Okay, so dala po tayo ng tagdadalawa. Okay lang? Imagine pa, hindi tayo kasya dito. Problema na nila press sa kanila VP yan. No? So, and of course, June 7, baliktarin natin yung... Sino na may ticket dito?